Something is happening inside Canon's manufacturing plants that is about to send a shockwave through the professional photography world. For the last few years, we've lived in a world where the flagship lines were clearly defined. You had the speed of the R3 and the ultimate prestige of the R1. But as we sit here in 2026, the lines aren't just blurring, they are being completely erased. If you thought the original R3 was a powerhouse, you haven't seen anything yet. We are talking about a camera that is currently in the hands of elite sports photographers at the 2026 Winter Olympics, and the reports coming back are terrifying for the competition. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Sony and Nikon have had their time in the spotlight with the A1 II and the Z9, but Canon is about to drop a hammer that might actually make their own flagship R1 redundant for 90% of professional shooters. Why is Canon suddenly jumping from 24 megapixels to a rumored 50 megapixel monster? Why are insiders calling this the first global shutter killer from the EOS lineup? And most importantly, if you are a professional shooter in the US looking to upgrade, why would you ever spend $8,000 on an R1 when the R3 Mark II exists? We are breaking down the leaked specs, the revolutionary Eye Control AF 2.0, and the secret, double-stacked sensor technology that is about to change everything you know about speed and resolution. The 50MP stacked sensor, the resolution revolution. Let's get straight to the heart of the machine. The biggest criticism of the original R3 was its 24.1 megapixel sensor. In 2021, it was enough. In 2026, it's a liability. Professional agency photographers in the US, the people shooting the Super Bowl or Fashion Weeks in New York, need to crop. They need the detail. The R3 Mark II is rumored to feature a brand new 50 megapixel back-illuminated stacked CMOS sensor. This isn't just a bump in numbers, it's a total reimagining of the data pipeline. By doubling the resolution while maintaining the stacked architecture, Canon is giving you the ability to shoot a 50MP file at 40 frames per second with zero blackout. Imagine standing on the sidelines of an NFL game. You catch a diving catch from 50 yards away. With 50 megapixels, you can crop in 200% and still have a tack-sharp image ready for the cover of Sports Illustrated. This is the no-compromise era. You no longer have to choose between the speed of an R3 and the resolution of an R5. The R3 Mark II is both. But there's a secret hidden in the sensor readout. Rumors suggest that Canon is testing a hybrid, fast readout mode that minimizes rolling shutter to the point where it becomes indistinguishable from a global shutter. If they pull this off, the A9 III's biggest advantage disappears overnight. Eye Control AF 2.0, the mind-reading camera. When the R3 first launched, Eye Control AF felt like magic, but it had its flaws. It didn't always play nice with glasses or contact lenses. But Eye Control AF 2.0 is a different beast entirely. The R3 Mark II features a new infrared sensor array inside the viewfinder that maps your eye in 3D. It doesn't just see where you're looking, it tracks the micro-movements of your pupil to predict which subject you're about to focus on. Combined with the new Digic X Mark II processor, which is built on a 3-nanometer process, the autofocus system is now infused with deep learning AI. It doesn't just recognize a person. It recognizes a